Long Beach Resort has one of the most desirable floor plans along PCB and is truly a unique property compared to other condominiums. All 3 bedrooms have gulf-front views and access to a balcony. The way the floor plan is designed and with a few slight modifications, the 3rd bedroom can serve as an efficiency and potentially be rented separately from the other 2 bedrooms for maximum rental revenue. Another great feature for this particular condo is the fact that it's located in Tower 3 and overlooks the gorgeous lagoon pool. It's also located on the 7th floor, which is ideal for most people. Long Beach is a gated resort with 24-hour security. Parking is on the same side of the road as the condominium, with no parking garage to maneuver. The resort encompasses 3 swimming pools,